More than 15 million Americans, between 5 and 10% of the population, suffer from asthma, and their disease annually includes 1.5 million visits to the emergency room, 500,000 hospitalizations, and 5,500 deaths. Up to 20% of those with asthma treat their asthma daily, and 10% of asthmatics suffer severe symptoms. The number of Americans who reported suffering an asthma attack in a given year increased from 3.1% in 1980 to 5.6% in 1995 and 7.3% in 2001. More than 5% of American children have suffered an asthma attack. Asthma is a complex, multifactorial disease which is influenced by both genetic and environmental factors. Individuals who share the same symptoms of asthma can develop the disorder through different mechanisms. Not only can asthma be affected by both genes and the environment separately, it can also be brought on by an interaction between genes and environment. For example, air pollution or an allergen alone might not be sufficient to induce asthma, just as a genetic polymorphism might not be sufficient to induce asthma. But those who have a particular genetic polymorphism and are exposed to a certain allergen or high level of pollution might frequently develop asthma. The increased risk of asthma due to exposure to cigarette smoke depends on the genetic variations that one possesses.